Check the new shirt. Alright. It's got the new logo on it as well. I quite like it. And welcome to a new video, and today we're going to be doing a follow-up on the ORSKEY dash cam, and I have a couple of clips from what I've recorded. I'll go over my thoughts on both, and we can get from there. This is a follow-up video, so I thought I would do it like I'd already planned, and we'll get into it right now. So, the ORSKEY dash cam, it's a full HD webcam, not 4K however. It comes with two cameras, a front and a rear, and the rear is basically attached to the camera. It's not wireless, so you have to feed it up through the glove box if you want and run it up the wall. It's not that hard, and you just need to peel back the roof, and the wires are easy enough to hide. The specs for the camera, it's full HD 1920x1080p, it's 30 frames a second, so it is smooth. Would be nice if it was 60. It's apparently got superior night vision, however I've seen the night vision and it's okay. I think the one in the rear, you're really going to be struggling if someone comes into the back of you with the headlights and the glare. I really don't think you're going to be seeing that reg plate, however the crash will still be there documented. The field of view, so I've never, and you'll see in the recording, you can see pretty much everything. The way I've done my rear is I didn't want to put screw holes in my car, so it is put up on our bracket, and it's not how it's supposed to be done, so it is a wee bit of an angle because I've not always adjusted it every time I open and close the boot. And yeah, it's easy operational. It's 3 buttons on the side, up, down, select, and it comes with, you can put your reg number on, time, date, and all that legal jazz. And apparently it comes with emergency recording if it detects a crash and you're not recording, and it also has intruder. It can also sit and watch and start recording if people approach your car. However, that does turn off, it doesn't turn back on again. But we can have another conversation about that. We'll go through the clips and I'll talk over it. This is all being recorded on the Rode microphone that's sitting on top of the 90D just now, and the next you'll be hearing from the Shure SM7B, so you can do a wee quick comparison on the audio quality if you want as well. But I've spoke enough, let's get back into the computer and get looking at these clips together. I hope you enjoy, and just another thank you for the 2 new subscribers. We are so close to my first goal of getting 100 subscribers eventually. But yes. As mentioned before, this is the front facing view of the 170-degree front facing camera, and you can see over to the other side of the view. Even though it's not the best image quality, it is full HD. And we're just going to be going onto a double lane here, and we won't see the bus again. Now you can see here we've got full view of both lanes, so nice clear views here. Wee bit rain on the windscreen, but you can also partially make out the reg numbers. Now I believe this camera is a lot better than the one at the rear, which I'll be putting up shortly, and we can do a comparison. And the only thing here to note, that there was a guy kind of close, but he's just about to overtake me now, and that's the only exciting thing that happened on this trip. But that's the view of the front facing camera, and you can see when you're parked, you can see clear view. Now, as I mentioned, this camera is kindly off center because I open and close the boot every time, and I'm not doing the conventional way. However, this is the rear facing view camera, which I believe is lesser quality, but you can still see what's going on behind you, and hopefully in a court of law this would stand up. On the rear view you can see the time and date. On the front one you can see the reg plate of your car if you do put it in. And there's that bus again. So we're going to jump to the scene where the questionable van is somewhat close to me. It's not too bad. It seems closer in the rear view mirror than it actually was. but still, it's the only kind of incident I can put in. He does seem to be wanting to get somewhere fast though. This is the rear facing camera. I'll do a side by side of the two views now. So as you can see, this is the side by side. There's really no difference. This is the same exact video. I think I might have got the timing slightly out. The one on the right, the rear one is flipped basically to, because the camera's on the wrong way, so everything looks the opposite way around to the camera. So I think obviously the place for it is on the floor or underneath your reg plate, but however it does work. The way I've done it, I just need to flip it to make it make sense. But you can tell the front camera is definitely higher quality than the rear. However, it still does work, and there's that driver I was talking about again. Where is close or not, he was definitely somewhere in a hurry. But yeah, that is the ORSKEY dash cam. You can pick it up on Amazon and ORSKEY, their website as well. It's, I believe it's £27.99, so it's a kind of a bargain there. And if you drive regularly and you want to record yourself or record your journeys, it's a cheap way to do it. Now, as you can see from the pictures, it's high definition, but it's not the best. If you want to go for a 4K dash cam, go ahead. But if you're looking for a cheap, reliable, inexpensive camera to record your journeys or just for your own security reasons, get it. And then if you want to upgrade to a different camera in the future, go ahead, see how it works for you. I plan to just stick with this dash cam and see how long it lasts. Anyway, thank you for taking the time to check out this video, and thank you for suggesting to have a follow-up video. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and please hit that like and subscribe button. It means a lot. Let's get me to 100 subscribers. Thank you. Bye bye.